Man, it's such a boring day today. There's nothing good to do. Just the morning and the sun. Ooh, I know what I can do. Do, 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 do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, what can I open? 6, 7, 8. Oh, that one fell off. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 13 water bottles. Now, you are wondering what I'm doing with them. Well, I want to lie down on them. You see, I got all my water bottles here. Every last one of them. Every last one of them is here. I just want to relax in my water area. Oh, a water area. Maybe I should ask Noibat to join. Hey Noibat, can I join in on the water fun? Oh yeah, sure, jump on in. Yay! Why you did this in the first place, Noibat? Well, you know, I just want to, relax and I want to do something different. So I got a bunch of water bottles here. Oh, that's great. I'm going to go lie down everywhere. Hey, you're kind of covering me up. Ooh, water. Oh, water area. I want to dump everything there. Wait, did you hear something? Oh, wait, Evie, no, wait. Ah! Oh, no, man, I didn't know you were down there. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Do you want a coffin? No! Okay, bye! Gumi, are you okay? Oh yeah, I'm totally fine. The blanket blocked all of the water on me. Great. Well, thanks for watching the video, everyone. Bye!